How to install Breezy Movie App. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to search your Google over here, search for Breezy Movie App, scroll down a bit, and you will be able to see here Breezy APK. Simply select this. And now this link over here will allow you to download this specific app for both Android and iOS. So simply scroll down to the bottom section over here and you should be able to see two download links over here. So there's an instruction, so make sure to click on any ads on the third page and wait for 30 seconds and the downloading will start automatically. So simply click on download or this any of these two buttons over here, whether it's for Android or iOS, and it will download you the file and you should be able to just easily install when you open the file that is downloaded. So there will be an install pop-up that would allow you to install it on your devices. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.